Here is how to get the juiciest chicken rolls. Cut the chicken breast into slices. Pound all the slices with a meat mallet. Season with black pepper and salt. Turn the chicken breast slices over to the other side. Season the same way. Grate the mozzarella and put it in a bowl. Add 1 grated carrot. Finely chop parsley. Pour in yogurt and mix the ingredients. Put 1 tablespoon of filling on each slice. Roll up tightly all the chicken breast slices with filling. Place the rolls on baking paper. Wrap the rolls in the paper. Place in the baking tray and bake for 30 minutes. Cut the cucumbers into halves. Put the cucumbers in the baking bag. Season with salt, black pepper, vinegar. Add garlic. Finely chop dill. Mix well. Remove the rolls from the baking paper. Place in the baking tray. Sprinkle with grated cheese and bake for another 10 minutes. These chicken rolls look so good that they can be served even at festive meals. They are just as good with any side dish or salad.